Before we move on to bigger and better projects, there's a very important technical aspect that we need to run through, and that relates to the carving process. It really doesn't matter what you're carving, this process must be applied regardless. Stage 1, drawing. To begin with, all you really need is an accurate outline. However, time should be taken to get the drawing precise. Stage 2, construction and cutting out. The foundations for the carving are created. Now, if boards need to be glued together to form the required thickness, then the joints should be cleaned. When cutting the carving blank, be as accurate as possible. Stage 3, roughing in. The overall shape should now be achieved with the carving chisels. Remove the timber in unwanted areas, defining the high and low levels. It sometimes helps in the early stages to mark the high spots with a cross. Stage 4, adding details. Draw the details on the roughed in shape. Now take your time, as it's important here to ensure that the drawing is accurate. The result of the carved detail will be a reflection of this. It's so easy to get carried away with one particular area of your design. You can spend hours adding detail only to find that because you did not fully complete the roughing in process, your detail now needs to be removed because the shape needs to be adjusted lower. Remember, each stage must be completed before the next is undertaken. It's absolutely futile adding details to areas before the entire shape has been formed.